you have your nice wood board, and you can just about 2.5 foot and a foot this way. And what I do is I use this as brakes, so I put them at the end, and you can put the glue if you want to keep them really still, or you just pre-drill them. All you need is my rice. All you need is a drill and a screwdriver. Now, once you are in this position where you got your board cut off nicely, you can get the brakes. These are the brakes that will keep the pipe from not going over. So they will break it, and that's really helpful. Believe me, you need that. Now, once you get your three, I have just 3 holes here. That's enough, I think, for making the brakes. And you just put them in and take your drill. I'm assuming you might have a drill. If you don't have a drill, the screwdriver also works, believe me. 1, 2, 3. First brakes in, now second brakes. Here you are, second brakes. 3 screws also. This is fun when it's done, knowing that you made it yourself.